This recipe for chorizo and potatoes is kind of a classic dish if you go to a Mexican restaurant. You can serve it at home for a delicious game day brunch or any sort of holiday or special brunch. Sometimes when we're doing breakfast for dinner, we love it then too. So it's traditionally going to be called Papa's Con Chorizo, and the first thing you need to do is boil up those potatoes. These are 2 pounds of Yukon Gold potatoes, peeled and diced. Boil them till they're tender and then strain them and set them aside. And then it's time to start cooking the chorizo. So you're going to use pork chorizo. You want the kind without the casing. You could always just remove it from the casing. My husband, who edits these videos for me, loves it oozing out of the casing for some reason. So there's that highlight. Then you just oil up a pan, add the chorizo, cook it a few minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. Then it's going to be pretty cooked down. You add in those boiled potatoes, give it a stir, add in some garlic salt, some dried oregano, some butter. Keep stirring it all around. And then for the grand finale, you can serve it like this, but you can one-up it and make some yummy sunny side up eggs. For the egg, just add some butter and 1 egg at a time to a pan on low heat. Heat it up. The top should stay gooey for that sunny side up feel. So again, this is chorizos and potatoes with egg topping, but you don't need it. But look, why would you skip it? It's so good. Print the recipe at Sip Bite Go.